What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house?
I want waffle fries.
I just realized I've had my dog for over 8 years and have never told her my name.
Hey, I know you're chewing your bone and everything, but did you know that my name is Alyssa?
Tell him. Tell him. Let me see. My big teeth are coming in.
And when he's supposed to be mine, it's my party and I cry if I want to, cry if I want to, cry.
What's this say? That's right.
Just a regular day driving around with my box full of puppies.
Why'd she do that?
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody. Hi. Hi. Good morning.
If your pet